necessary personnel. Drivers need moving in 5 minutes down at the infield concession area. Got a great lineup for you here tonight. First time ever at South Sound Speedway, straight up racing. As Ryan, their monster truck, to entertain everybody here tonight. Going to be some fantastic action and destruction out here on this 3/8-mile oval here at South Sound Speedway. Also tonight, a big race for you with the overhead doors bumblebees, a 100-lap main event for those guys. We got probably pushing close to 25 bumblebees right now. We're going to put on a heck of a show for you. To enter, and you can sign up right now by the main entrance to the grandstand. Also, don't forget, fans, pick up your South Sound Speedway souvenir program. We're going to be giving away great prizes all night long as part of the Lucky Eagle Casino program giveaways. And also, one lucky fan, 18 years of age or older, will join me down on the flag stand during intermission and take part in the Lucky Eagle Casino High Roller Contest. Monster truck rides right now are being conducted down in the infield area. If you go down, you'll see the big souvenir tent that Straight Up Racing has set up down there. All kinds of great items, and monster trucks and t-shirts and all kinds of things that you can purchase down there. And also right down in that area, you can go ahead and purchase a ride-along on a real monster truck. $10 for the rides, and those are going on as we speak. And again, you can do that right down in the grass area, right down by the Straight Up Racing Monster Truck souvenir booth.